Celtic sea. Hear the old songs calling now through the stone and sacred bough. I am the lady of the Celtic crown, where the ancient stars look down. In the wind my voice is found, guardian of this sacred ground. Through the heather soft and the queens walk by my side. Every flame and ancient stone whispers that this land is home. I am the lady of the Celtic crown, in the windy of the Celtic crown, where the ancient stars look down. In the wind my voice is found, guardian of this sacred ground.